Let us prepare now for our pranayam by gently closing our eyes. Experiencing our breath in every which way. Experiencing our breath in every which way. सांस अंदर जा रही है, सांस बाहर आ रही है. Experience. And convert that into khanda inhalations, Ujjain exhalations. So now we were watching the breath, experiencing it. We are changing that to khanda inhalation. What is khanda? A piece divided into two. So we do inhale, nasal, exhale, Ujjain. Inhale, nasal, exhale, Ujjain. Inhale, exhale. Khanda inhalations, Ujjain exhalations. So we are currently combining two pranayams, Khanda pranayam and Ujjain pranayam. Khanda makes us improve our lung capacity to the full, currently in the inhalations. Ujjain clears the morning mucus from the throat, the phlegm from the throat, beautifies our voice, balances our thyroid secretions, reverses fears associated with finances, reverses fears associated with relationships. Without waiting for, oh, what's going to come next? Pretending as if this is the pranayam you are going to do for the next almost half an hour is the way you should be doing every pranayam. Which means you're not expecting anything next. The second half of the khanda inhalation should be filling our lungs completely. Last round. Discontinue the practice to move on to a next pranayam only in the exhalations. Khanda inhalations continue. Inhale in khanda, fill yourselves completely and do a humming sound, Brahmari. in Shanmukhi Mudra, the mudra which I just did. Again, inhale, fingertips on the 5 senses, reminding us that we are Sangni Panchendriya, 5 senses and the mind species. Keep going and I'll tell you when to stop. Khanda inhalation, full lungs, Brahmari exhalations. Inhale, fill up your full rib cage with oxygenated air. Hold in Shunya. Excellent. Make sure you've plugged your ears closed properly with your thumbs. Last round. Discontinue this practice and move on now to the next, which is Khanda inhalation, Om exhalations. Now, we are moving on to the next one, in which we do Khanda inhalations and one-time Brahmari exhalation. Again, Khanda inhalation, one-time Om. I'm showing you the full thing once, okay? Make sure your exhalation is done completely. Stay in Shunya now. This way, okay? Alternate. Khanda inhalations followed by once Brahmari, once Om. Again Brahmari, again Om. Alternated. That's right. Don't pause at all. Don't pause. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Your Om has to give all the benefits that it has to give. Each Om giving innumerable benefits. Last set. खंड inhalation करना है, याद रखें. Exact 50-50. हम full हो गए, lungs एकदम packed है, oxygenated air is doing its job inside. And we go. Plug the ears closed. Hum. Last one. Done. Discontinue. We're now going to do a next variation, which is same. Khanda inhalations, Kapalbhati exhalations. Okay, so this is how it goes. Khanda inhale, Kapalbhati exhale. The abdomen goes in. Khanda inhale is lungs full. Watch me if you're unsure. Exhale is from the belly. Continue. Don't push yourselves, don't tire yourselves. If you need a break, please take a break. Khanda inhalations, it's like a bhastrika. By now we have done numerous Khanda inhalations. Kapalbhati exhalations. Discontinue. Take a big pause now. Watch your breath. Expect silence for 2 minutes. Fold the tongue now. Let the lower part of the tongue touch the upper hard palate. And the tip of the tongue goes all the way behind in Kechari Mudra. Waiting for that once in a lifetime experience, hopefully with fingers crossed, for the Amrit Ras to drop down the fontanel, to go down to touch the tongue tip. Kechari Mudra. And in this, do Kapalbhati. Every time you either get tired of Kapalbhati and need to take a pause, or tired of the Kechari Mudra and need to release the tongue, you will discontinue. Which means either you will bring the tongue back because you are tired of Kapalbhati, or you will discontinue Kapalbhati, hence you will have to bring the tongue back. Let's begin. Kechari Mudra, Kapalbhati, combos. Tired of holding Kechari Mudra? Discontinue Kapalbhati, bring the tongue back, take a pause. Restart both together. Take a pause of ending both together to restart next. Want to take a pause from Kapalbhati? No problem. First, ease off the tongue from Kechari Mudra. Stop Kapalbhati. Take a pause. Vishram. Restart both again together. Kapalbhati starts with Kechari Mudra. Discontinue Kapalbhati, take back the tongue into its normal position. Out of Kechari Mudra, off with Kapalbhati, take a pause. And we move on to one of my favorite ones, feather touch. Fingertips on our beautiful faces. Feather touch in Ujjain. Do we need a facial if we are doing feather touch? Touch with those awesome 10 magical fingertips. Who can love us more than our own selves? We are always waiting for a compliment or a gratification or an acknowledgement from family members, from friends, from elders, from teachers, from students, from staff. What have you? Not knowing that we can gratify, justify, compliment, love ourselves like nobody else can. Here is feather touch, filled, oozing with abundance in Ujjain. Throat breath. Start Ujjain now. Go for feather touch. Feeling every bit of each and every 10 fingertips. Prepare for this awesome journey. Literally feeling like goddesses, like gods, filled with abundance, all in Ujjain inhalations, Ujjain exhalations. Throw in the phrase, I love and approve of myself. I love and approve of myself. I love and approve of myself. Fill yourselves with full abundance in Ujjain. More Ujjain. More Ujjain. Keep doing the Ujjain. Heaven is here and now. Make sure this blend does not confuse one from the other. Both have to continue simultaneously. The feather touch, the Ujjain. One should not pause for a single moment while concentrating on the other. Ujjain पे ध्यान गया तो यहाँ फिंगर टिप्स रुक गई, फिंगर टिप्स पे ध्यान दिया तो वहां उज्जैन रुक गई. नहीं, both together. Go up to the head if you wish, the scalp, the hair. Oh my God. The mind will direct where the fingers have to go. The journey is decided, the destination is decided. We have to just keep moving them. Almost done. Get ready to discontinue. Bring the fingertips down and continue experiencing the fingertips on your face, neck, and head. Feel that tingling even though the fingers are not touching. If you're still feeling the tingling, even though the fingers are not touching, discontinue Ujjain, intensify the awareness if you're not yet feeling. But if you're still feeling, open your eyes and write a yes in the chat box. If you're not feeling, if the sensation has gone, don't open your eyes. Wait. Excellent. Keep going. Awesome. Awesome. Keep going. Awesome. I don't have space for a no in my chat box because I have full confidence in the abundance we gave ourselves. This is only about the yes and the wait. Oh, wow. Fantastic, Rax. Let's wait only for a few handful of others. Yes, from everyone. And since the mind got distracted in opening the eyes and writing the yes or writing superb feeling, let's go back to do feather touch. We distracted. We opened the eyes. We wrote the yes. So let's go back into feather touch and Ujjain to give company to those who have still not felt. Ujjain, feather touch. Ujjain, feather touch. Out of 46 of us, 23 have already put a yes. So half were still feeling the feather touch. Of the other half, some don't know how to operate the chat box and some are still waiting. Those who are still waiting, we are giving them company while we do Ujjain with feather touch. Meditate on your face and feel that love, that abundance, that touch. Mind will keep guiding where to go. Ujjain continues. Here come two more yeses. Excellent. Excellent. Those who have already put a yes now, don't put a yes. Those who did not feel it, if you're now feeling it, put a yes. Feeling what? Feather touch on your face, although the fingers are away. This is what slowly gears us into meditation. Pratikshan sajag, every moment equanimous and aware. Very good. I'm getting a few thumbs ups. That's equal to the yes. Excellent. Now we do alternate nostril Kapalbhati. Oh, that's a few more raised hands. For those who are beginners here, very soon you will know because we've moved way ahead. Here we have almost 30 of us doing pranayama for the last 18 to 19 years, some who joined in sometime new, and you will always know the technique. Anything that is done first time for you will be explained. For example, Ujjain. We now do alternate nostril bhastrika. Hands in Nasagraha Mudra and alternate. Nostril, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Do this well. Fill your lungs with oxygenated air. Empty them completely so that there is full declutter. Aparigraha in your lungs. To fill in new oxygenated air, you need to empty it completely first. Empty them. Now start counting. Last 20 sets. 16, 16, 15, 15, 14, 14, 13, 13. 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Ah, excellent. Discontinue the practice. Bring that hand down. You're done with today's pranayams, you lucky people. And here goes. Just do a good round of palming. Don't open your eyes till you are done with a very satisfying palming. In case they were open, close them again. And then slowly open the eyes.